So in the last video, we looked at how to download the elevation data. So this video, we're going to look at how to clip that raster, because the DEM model or DEM data or the SRTM we downloaded came as a raster. So we'll be clipping that DEM to our location. So we click on Add Data button so that we can be able to import our data. So our data is here. This is it. We click and then we add. So this is our data. So we're going to bring in the shapefile or the feature class that we need to cut out that. So this is our shapefile. Alright, so you either go and look for clip or you search extract by marks. I'm using extract by marks because my L key is having issue. So once you search extract by marks, you'll see both the extract by marks and clip. So both of them do the work of clipping a raster. So I prefer to use this. So I'm going to click on clip and I'm going to impute raster, which is the SRTM we just downloaded, and the output extent, which is our study area. All right, so now here you will have to select that it should use input feature for clipping geometry. Most of the time they will say it optional, but if you allow this to be optional, it will cut this thing the way you see it like this without following the distance. So you now also tell it to maintain clipping extent. All right, so the next is that you will click, and then you can also leave it as it's going to be able to, your geodatabase can actually contain both raster and vector. So we can decide to leave it inside here as MENA metro. Just leave it with, let me bring out to write an O, MENA metro, and then we save. And then you click on OK. So let's follow this so that we await as that finishes. So I think our clip just finished executing. So let's remove the bigger one and see. So we have a clip extend to this. So a recap is that you're going to go to a clip, the one that says cut out a portion of raster, or you can search extract by marks. Then your input raster will be the raster you want to clip. Your extend will be the shapefile, which is in our case called study area, and you have to select tick that it should follow the extent of what you just imputed. Then you select location, and boom, you have your raster clip. So I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue in this course. For now, stay tuned and practice more. Bye bye.